Good afternoon to all of you. Honorable Minister for Defence, Shri Rajnath Singh Ji, Honorable Minister for State for Defence, who is on the dais, distinguished guests from the aerospace, defence sector, Honorable Defence Secretary, Government of India, Karnataka Chief Secretary, and all the delegates across the globe, officials of Government of India and the armed forces, ladies and gentlemen, friends from the media. It is my immense privilege to be a part of this great inauguration on the 50th edition of Aerospace of 2025, a premier platform that showcases India's growth, strength in the aerospace and defense. Karnataka particularly, as you all are in Bangalore, has been at the forefront of the journey, leading innovation and attracting global partnership. Today, you all have been witnessing the Bangalore and Karnataka, which is in India, the aerospace capital, contributing over 60% of the country's aerospace manufacturing and defense research. It is a home of HAL, ISRO, Boeing, India and other world-class aerospace institutions that drive innovation and development. Over 150,000 professionals work in the city aerospace sector, making it a global leader in innovation and defense technology. We are one of among the top 3 global aerospace cities, attracting various foreign investments. You know that India's aerospace growth and innovation is reaching the sky. Aero India is not just an exhibition. It is a testament to India's growing prowess in the aerospace and defense. This year theme, the runway to a billion opportunities, perfectly reflects our ambitions in the sector. Karnataka is developing aerospace and defense hubs across the state, including various places in Karnataka. You all know that Bangalore is also pioneering the drone technology and unmanned aerial systems, revolutionizing both commercial and defense services. Today, Bangalore is only city in the world to have both commercial and defense airports operating from the same strip, highlighting the strategic importance. Indian aerospace industry is strengthening through partnership with nations like various countries, forwarding nations like America, US, France and Russia. We are also focusing on green innovation technologies, including electric popularization and biofuels for sustainability. Women participation in aerospace is increasing, and we are taking pride in fostering gender diversity in the sector. In order to bridging the gap in the manufacturing sector, while India excels in aircraft servicing and repair, the manufacture of aircraft and helicopter remains a challenge. A significant portion of the India's defense aircraft is still imported. We must work towards self-reliance in aerospace manufacturing. Bangalore has been the talent, infrastructure and expertise in legal integrated aircraft and helicopter manufacturing. I appeal to Honorable Rakshana Mantri and Government of India. I urge the Honorable Defence Minister again to provide an incentives for the aircrafts and helicopter manufacturing to set up their industries in Karnataka, which should look on the local sector for the usage of India. I again would like to emphasize that Karnataka is a home with more than 250 engineering colleges and various aerospace engineering technologies institutions are there. Bangalore nurtures the largest pool of aerospace talent in India. The city fosters a culture of collaboration, innovation and excellence, making it the perfect launchpad for their aerospace future. Karnataka is a place where talents meets opportunity. I would like to close the Bangalore Air Show is not more just an event. It is a symbol of India's strength, progress and leadership in aerospace. As we continue to grow, Karnataka and Bangalore, we remain at all centers of India's aerospace journey. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the participants, exhibitors, organizers of Air India through 2025. I encourage investors, entrepreneurs and business leaders to explore Karnataka and the country as a unite to a unique opportunity in the aerospace of defense. Finally, let us soar the new horizons. Together we build a world of innovation. Thank you. Jai Hind.